Your journey in skilled trades starts at the Center for Skilled Trades and Technology.
Our welding program is 2 semesters long, and we cover all of the main streams of welding, all the processes, all the main tools, equipment, anything that students will need to transition into the workforce.
I chose this program because it offers a blend of technical welding experience and technical knowledge, and with the CWB certification and the chance to work with experienced instructors was a huge draw for me.
I came into the trades because I am somebody who's so hands-on. Getting into the shop is a really great way for the students to cement what they've learned in the theory class and apply it into the practical.
The great thing about welding, or just trades in general, is that all the different avenues or sectors that you can go into with what you primarily enjoy.
There's obviously manufacturing, structural, pressure systems, stainless steel, like custom car work, food grade piping, hospitalization. It's open to everything. Honestly, I just love it. I don't know what else to say. It's just fun being in here.